down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down.
Good day people. This is just an update. There should have been more videos come out, but I've had a problem with my GoPro. I've done quite a few cars and I've been filming on the GoPro. I've gone to upload it off the GoPro, memory card is fucked. Well pissed me off, as I had about 4 or 5 videos on there ready to get off the memory card and get out onto YouTube. Totally peed me off. Don't know if I can recover it off the memory card. It's just saying the memory card is corrupt, whatever. So that has really peed me off. So yeah, I have lost shitloads of footage. So I've ordered a new memory card to come for the GoPro. So just an update is there is going to be more videos coming. Waiting for the memory card for my GoPro. I'm actually filming on my phone at the moment, so hopefully this one will work. Today all I'm doing is cleaning up my shed as it's absolute mess. Let me show you. So as you can tell, my shed is an absolute shithole. I've got car parts everywhere, all old car parts. That's from the Skoda, just on the front suspension, both wishbones, track rod ends, everything on that. Services I've done, also got oil in the pots and everything. All my bike parts over there. Yeah, so I'm an absolute mess in my shed and I need to get it sorted. Another thing is I need to get over the Triumph, as I ain't sorted that in quite a few weeks now. So I think that's going to be the first thing on my agenda, is let's get this bike kicked over. Let's see if it starts, shall we? I think I can find where I put the key. Fingers crossed. We have lights.
Summertime, I've been taking my time to get perfection. Sometime you got me feeling so weightless. Sublime, I've been taking my time to get perfection. Sometime I need to just take a ride away. Tripping all night and I'm dreaming of the west side. Driving to some place I know, looking like a good day. And I'm feeling alright, alright, alright. I'm taking my time, sweet taste of the best life. Driving to a place I know, looking out through a haze. And I'm feeling so high, so high, so high. Dreaming of the best life.
You keep going down these roads, but you don't know where they go. You could be alone, when you're grey and when you're old. Spend your life with some with gold. All the money and the ho.
feeling so weightless. Sublime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. I need to just take a ride away. I'm taking my time, sweet taste of the best life. Driving to a place I know, looking out through a haze. And I'm feeling so high, so high, so high. Dreaming of the best life.
I want the best, you best believe that Lamborghini with a seat back up those bitches where my weed up back with millions. I see that, I don't wanna have to dream that now. I wanna go and be that. See, that's always been the mission since we're back. When I seen that, my dad had no money, I don't need that. No money for the gas to get the heat back. Let's leave that. Let's talk about the money, want the money talk. Never even speak because the money talk. Seeing up the bread with all the money sauce. Champagne, sipping on the sunny shore. 10 pretty bitches, everyone is yours for the night. Living like you're gonna die tomorrow, better live it right. It's live and die, all the same dirt, just a different time. I want the best, you best believe that Lamborghini with a seat back up the bitches where my weed up bank with millions. I see that I've been trying hard to be that ocean beach where I can relax out in Cali with a weed pack, man, I need that. I've been
Tripping all night and I'm dreaming of the west side. It's looking like a good day and I'm feeling alright.
go.
Summertime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. You got me feeling so weightless. Sublime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. I need to just take a ride away. Tripping all night and I'm dreaming of the west side. Driving to some place I know, looking like a good day. And I'm feeling alright, alright, alright. I'm taking my time, sweet taste of the best life. Driving to a place I know, looking out through a haze. And I'm feeling so high, so high, so high.
When you cry and when you oh.
Summertime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. You got me feeling so weightless. Sublime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. I need to just take a ride. Summertime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. You got me feeling so weightless. Sublime, I've been taking my time to get perfection sometime. I need to just take a ride away.
Clean as best as I can get it. The tools are there ready, as I've got a couple more jobs, but they won't be getting done here, so get tools ready and everything to take with me. I've got a Kia Sportage service to do and a belt on the Peugeot 107, I think it is. A Peugeot? I think so. Not sure. Yeah, the alternate belt I've got to do on it as well. So we'll try and film them, but it's going to be dark because it's going to be like up to 3 o'clock in the morning. I'll be doing them after I finish work. So yeah, the beast is all being warmed up and that, all running nicely. I still sat there, the poor little bugger. Still need to rip that engine out. Need to work out where to put all these bike bits, hang them up somewhere out of my way so I can use that bench and get into all my metal. Yeah, so this shed's a bit tidier now. I can work in it. Like I say, I've got a few more jobs coming up. Kia Sportage and a 107. Just little jobs, one's service, one's alternator belt needs changing. Got a couple of more coming up as well. Then my Matisse driver's caliper seized on again, so I have got another one right here. Gonna swap that over. It's just because it's stood down. That's what it is, because it's just stood there. It really needs getting out running. I need to get an MOT on it. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll get that done. With this cold weather and now with snow, just can't be bothered, man. It's too cold. I'm busy doing other jobs. With the bike, survival wrap, I will be getting on with that soon. Just that busy with cars in a minute, trying to get them done. it's just taking a toll out, especially with working. But we'll get on with that in the next few weeks, hopefully. In the next month, get that engine ripped out, get the engine stripped and so on. Just ordered a new battery for the Mocha. A video will be coming up on that, as I'm having problems with that at the moment. So yeah, ordered a new battery from Alfred's, gotta go pick that up tomorrow maybe. So yeah, like I say, it was just an update where things are and that, and about losing shitloads of footage. That has absolutely peed me off big time. Should have really checked after the first vid, but you know, you just keep filming and filming and filming, especially with it snowing and being cold. I just kept filming and filming and filming, thinking I'll get it all off at once and just bang a load of videos out. Didn't work out, lost absolutely shitloads of footage. Cut it in a way, because like I say, I had a Skoda 1.6, did the front brakes, discs, wishbones, suspension, track rod ends, everything on that, all filmed as well. A couple of services on other cars, the whole lot's gone. Absolutely gone, absolutely peed me off. But just is what it is, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for today. It's a shit vid, I know, but hopefully I'll get a couple of more vids out next weekend. So I'll see you next time. Please subscribe and hit that like button, it goes a long way. Stay safe.